Hello everyone, and once again welcome to UPSC. In this UPSC class, we are going to see the objective type questions on Indian economy. Dear cadets, please make a note of it. The question will be there and the 4 options out of that you have to select the correct one. If you are not able to select the correct one, I am going to say the answer for the correct one, and after that we are moving to the whole presentation. The first one, the term discovered small field DSF, which was recently making news in related to which of the following? So the term discovered a small field and the options are placed for you. 4 options are there: petroleum sector, nuclear, mineral, quantum science, and none of them. I hope so you selected the correct answer. So now check out your answer is correct or not. If not, no matter, have the correct answer for that. If you are correct, very good to you. Let's check out the answer. So the correct answer is A, petroleum sector. At the last, the notes are also there, which refers to the interesting aside to this particular question, that the discovered small field DSF equation happened recently, and the term is related to oil sector. Is that clear to everybody? I think so. Now moving toward the question number 2. Question number 2. Which among the following is the largest source of irrigation in India apart from rain? As you are knowing about that, all our Indian farmers are waiting for rainfall to do the agriculture. So here the question is asking about the largest source of irrigation. So 4 options are here: tube well, canals, rivers, and tanks. So out of the 4, I hope you selected one. Now let's check out the correct answer. So the correct answer is tube well. Largest source of irrigation in India is tube well after rainfall. Moving toward the third question. For which of the following the term paper gold is used? Options are United States dollar, gold reserve with International Monetary Fund, United States dollars, once again the same option is there to make you confused, or the special drawing rights. Let's check out the answer. So option D is the correct one, special drawing rights. In the note, the interesting asides for you, which giving the more information related to that part. SDRS, that's a special drawing rights of the International Monetary Fund, are also called paper gold. They are allotted to member countries by International Monetary Fund and cannot be used by private parties. They are the supplementary for the fixed reserve. Next, 4th question. Minting of government medal is done at following places: Hoshangabad, Nasik and Devas, C. Kolkata and Noida, Mysore and Mumbai. So the 4 options are there. I hope so you are selecting the correct answer. Let's check out the correct answer. So the correct answer is C, Kolkata and Noida. Explanation for that: medals of national importance are minted in India at Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India, Kolkata, and Indian Government Mint in Noida. This mint undertakes production of metal for civilian and military awards, institutions by the Government of India like Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra. I hope so. The question and its correct answer is clear to you. Moving further to see the fifth question. Note sorting machine are used in bank for which of the following purpose? To be installed in automatic teller machine, to be used to count the notes, or to be used to bring out the and the counterfeit notes, to make bundles of large numbers of currency notes. Let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is B. It is used to count the notes. Moving further to question number 6. The name of Sir Chintaman Dwarkanath Deshmukh is a special in the Indian banking sector. He was dash. So the 4 options are here. First Indian to establish a bank in India, or B. First Indian to be a chairman of State Bank of India. C. The first Indian to be governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Opinion in Indian commercial banks. I hope so. The answer is ready in your mind. Let's check out the correct answer. The first Indian to be governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Sir Chintaman Dwarkanath Deshmukh. Remember the name of the person, and he was the first Indian to be the governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. In which year the wholesale price index, that's the 7th question, WPI, was published for the very first time? So here we are asking about WPI, wholesale price index, in which year for the very first time it was published. Option A, B, C and D. 1900, 1902, 1947 and 1991. So the correct answer is B, 1902. Next, question number 8. Base rate system, which is the new reference rate for determining lending rates for bank. The base rate system would bring in more transparency to loan pricing for customer. On which date is being introduced in India? So the 4 options are here. April 1, 2010, June 1, 2010, July 1, 2010, January 1, 2011. So the answer is clear to you. Let's check the correct answer. So the correct answer is C, 1st July 2010, July 1, 2010. Moving toward 9th question. In contacts with bank in India, March 16, 1949 is the date which marks establishment of RBI, nationalization of RBI, or Banking Regulation Act coming in force, or nationalization of the banks. The correct answer is Banking Regulation Act coming in force? The option number C. Moving toward question number 10. On these are normally dash. That means they are check or bills of exchange or bills of purchase or bills of lending. So unding means what? Let's check the correct answer. So bill of exchange, B is the correct answer. Question number 11. In which among the following types comes the interest rate risk? Okay, interest rate risk, whether the credit risk, market risk, operational risk, or all the above categories. I hope so your answer is ready. Let's check out the correct answer. So the correct answer is B, market risk. Moving towards next. 12. Which among the following is correct about an equity fund? A. It gives extent return. It invests primarily in shares. It invests in both debit and share. It assures the growth in value. Let's check out the correct answer. So the correct answer is B. It invests primarily in shares. Question number 13. A company wishes to establish a multi-products special economic zone in Manipur. What is the minimum area requirement for this company to fulfill for the getting approval from the special economic zone? 5,000 hectare, 1,000 hectare, 500 hectare or 200? The correct answer is 200 hectare, option number D. I hope so the question is clear to you and its correct answer is clear to you. Question number 14. The Reserve Bank of India worked as a lender of the last report. Which among the following is the correct statement in that context? 4 options are there. Please go through it. First, A. RBI meets all the demands of the commercial bank in time of difficulties. B. RBI meets all the reasonable demands of the commercial bank in the time of difficulties. RBI is the last lender to the government at the center and the states. D. RBI grants loan to the bank and also the government in states. So which one is the correct one? Just we are going to see. B is the correct one. RBI meets all the reasonable demands of the commercial bank in the times of difficulties. The interesting aside for you, the bank can borrow from RBI on the basis of eligible security or any other arrangement, and at the time of need or crisis approach RBI for financial help. Thus RBI works as LORL, that means lender of the last resort for bank. moving further to 15th question. In which year after independence notes in denomination of rupees of 1000, 5000 and 10,000 were reintroduced in India? So the four options are placed here: 1947, 1950, 1952 and D, 1954. I hope your answer is ready. Let's check out the correct answer. So the correct answer is D, in the year 1954. So in the year 1954. Question number 16. The implementation of which among the following program was based upon the concept of self-help groups, SHGs? Option 1, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, C, Swarna Jayanti Gramin Swaraj Yojana, D, National Food for Work Program. All these concepts you have studied in your 9th and 10th standard. Let's check the correct answer. So, answer number C, that the Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarajgar Yojana is the correct answer. And its explanation is here, and which year it was implemented and so on. Question number 17. Which among the following decide the saving bank account interest rate in India? So the options are here: the Ministry of Finance, RBI, Indian Bank Association, that's the IBA, or bank themselves. So the correct answer is D, bank themselves. Question number 18. What is the capital adequacy ratio for a new bank applying for license in India as per the draft guideline of RBI for issuing new bank licenses? So 9%, 10% and 12%, 11%. So the 12% is the correct answer. Next, question number 19. Which among the following is a short name of highest authority in India for indirect taxes? So for this purpose you have to remember the full form of all these. A, CBED, B, CBDT, C, BEC and last CBIT. So the correct answer is CBEC, and its interesting part, the Central Board of Excise and Customs. Next, 20th. Consider the following statement: indicative planning. Please see the question properly, and the options are here. Let's check out the correct answer quickly. So the correct answer is A. Its explanation is here. I am not moving into detail. You please go through it. Next part, question number 21 to 25. The 5 question and its correct answer. You should do it, and please let me know about that, the correct answer. Question number 21. Which among the following is not an indirect tax? Let's see the correct answer. That's a corporation tax. 22. Which among the following body regulates a cooperative bank in India? So the 4 options are here. Quickly get the answer. That's the RBI. Next, 23. Question we are moving directly. 23. Which among the following is a money market instrument of shortest? Let's see the correct answer. That's a call money B. Its explanation is here. Then moving towards the 24th question. Tank irrigation is the most predominantly practiced in India. In which part? North India, West India, South India, or Northeast India? So the correct answer is South India. Let's check out the correct one. Clear? And the following states names are also there. Moving toward the last question. FFC stands for which of the following? So let's check out the correct answer quickly. That's a Film Finance Corporation, and its instructing aside with explanation is given down. So dear cadet, this 25 questions and their answer we have cleared out. Lastly, I want to thank to each and everyone for watching this video. Thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind to one and all.